Welcome to this tutorial on how to quickly replace images on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step in a clear and easy to follow manner. Begin by navigating to WordPress in your web browser. Once the site has loaded, you will notice the login option positioned in the upper right corner of the page. Take a moment to locate this button, as it is the starting point for accessing your WordPress dashboard. After you click on the login button, you will be presented with various authentication options. At this point, select the option that allows you to continue with Google. This method streamlines the login process by using your Google credentials, so simply choose your account from the list provided. Once you have successfully logged in using your Google account, your dashboard will load, showing you a variety of options for managing your website. Within the main dashboard interface, direct your attention to the quick links section. This is where important shortcuts are located, and for this tutorial you will click on the edit site option. This action takes you into the site editor, where you can make modifications to your website design and content directly. Now, as you view your site editor, locate the image block you wish to change. By clicking on this image block, you are selecting it to make an update. It is important to ensure that you have the correct image block selected, so that your changes apply only to the desired area of your website. Once your image block is active, look for the option labeled Replace. Clicking on Replace will allow you to initiate the process for updating the image. With this step, you are telling the system that you want to remove the original image and substitute it with a new one. This is a quick and efficient way to refresh the visual appeal of your site while keeping the structure intact. Following your selection of Replace, a further option will become available. You will need to click on Open Media Library. This action opens a window that displays all the media files you have previously uploaded to your site. It is from this library that you will choose the image you want to use as the replacement. As you browse through your collection of images, take your time to select the one that best fits the look and feel of your website. After you have located your desired replacement image within the media library, simply click on it to highlight your choice. This step confirms which image you want to bring into the editing process. Ensure that the image you have selected is of the proper resolution and quality needed for your website. The final step in this image replacement process is to click on the option to select or confirm the image substitution. This confirms that your chosen image will now take over the position previously held by the old one. Once you perform this final click, the website will automatically update, replacing the old image with the new one that you have selected. This method is simple and efficient, enabling you to refresh the look of your WordPress site quickly. By following these instructions thoroughly, you can maintain the visual consistency of your website with minimal downtime. Enjoy the confidence that comes with mastering an essential aspect of website management with WordPress.